Express Unlock tried to scam me. I paid £48 for a Samsung S10 unlock code, but all I got was an invalid MCK code. After several failed attempts, I contacted them without receiving any reply. Only after reporting them to Revolut did they respond, demanding another £22 for the master code and even threatening to blacklist the phone. Luckily, Revolut refunded me. I then bought a factory unlocked motherboard with more storage for just £30. Now the phone works perfectly and is ready for its owner.